Hello everyone. So today we're starting germination of tomato. Two different types of tomatoes, I believe. What's this one?
Sweet.
Oh,
they're both
sweet
sweet
tomatoes. They're just in different packaging. We're starting germination on some sweet tomatoes and some organic cucumbers. So I'm very excited. First, we need to prep our soil. So I'm going to be adding some eggshells into our soil mix. Now, I did get this soil fertilizer combo from Dollar General the other day. Now, today we're not starting in buckets. We're actually starting in cups. You guys will see that here in a second. But I wanted to start with something that was affordable because once I do transfer these over in the next couple of weeks into buckets, I'm going to use a real recommended fertilizer, well, soil that's a lot more airy because this is a lot more dense. Eggshells have calcium, and over time with the soil that will have the eggshells in it, it's just going to act as another way to fertilize. I did put these in the oven on 250 degrees for 10 minutes so that they can dry out. I'm just using what I have in my house already, so that's why we're using a baggie, because we are out of Ziplocs. And now I am just going to take my almost lost eggshell. Take my rolling pin and I'm going to get this as fine as I can. Okay, so this is the container I will be putting my soil today in. Now I guess I could just bust a hole at the bottom. There we go. So you,
Still some.
Yeah, I know. It's fine. It's just some eggshells. So you don't want this to have a bunch of chunks in it because it will not, what's the word I'm looking for? It will not decompose. It won't break down over time. It actually.
Oh yeah, that decomposes. Right.
Yeah, it won't break down over time. Let's get our soil together. I think I'm gonna use 4 cups of soil. I'm like, cameraman, do the thing, you know? Just need to open this up. Ooh. Our soil is warm. So if your soil is not warm, definitely get it to room temp, or you can just sit it outside since it's summertime.
It was 92 degrees yesterday.
1, it was pretty hot. 2. What?
3.
And we have 4.
Give me one.
So now that we got everything in here, I'm just gonna mix this up, break up those clumps. So we are going to water our soil. I feel like it'd be better with my hands with this because I can feel what I'm doing. I'm getting dirty.
I'm in danger.
I don't want to dig too aggressively because it is some sticks in here.
Dig aggressively. Get in there.
Don't want to cut my hands.
Get in there.
Don't want to cut my hands.
Get in there.
Hush it up. Okay, so now that is mixed up pretty well and there's no like clumps in here. This is all pretty smooth. Now what we're about to do is water it. So when I was doing my research, when it said you're starting your seed, you want to make sure that your soil is like firm enough where you can like compact it, but it's not like wet where it's just gonna melt in your hands like mud. A little bit more water because we can always add more dirt. Well, soil. Okay, I think that's pretty good. Like that does feel like the consistency we're going for. Okay, so the first thing, the knife down. Oh, did a seed? Oh, my seeds is falling out. Oh shit! I dropped one seed on it. Okay, well this seed will be used today. I don't want to shock her. Sit right there. We're starting off with our cucumber seeds, but first things first, we need to create some hydration holes or drainage holes. Why did I say hydration? I feel like I should have had you do this.
You want me to do it?
Oh, there we go. How many holes do you think I should do? 2?
Let me see it.
What? I'm doing it. And I'm keeping my hands out the way. That's 2 holes. What you think? One more?
Yeah.
In the middle.
Do it like right here.
Okay.
Yeah. Hell, if I say you really get real freaky with it, do another one like right there.
No, it's fine. It'll drain.
Okay.
So.
Why'd you put your thumb with the knife?
Because I can't see that well.
Put some strength in that one, huh?
Yeah. Put this one on the middle. Okay. We have our drainage hose. Now, I'm only doing 2 seeds out of these cucumbers, so I'm just gonna start filling these cups up a little bit. I think about 2 scoops, and then my 3rd scoop will be on top of them. 1 scoop and 2 scoops. So, the fun part.
Did you put some of the other?
Yeah.
Oh, nice.
Won't you mind the business that pays you?
Am I the cameraman?
So, look at my little seed. You will be cucumbers. I'm going to put this one in here. Press down a little bit. Push it down a little bit. And then, that's not a seed.
No, it's still in there, ain't it?
Now they don't want to come out. And our 2nd seed.
She had to fight for it, y'all.
I really did.
All my life I had to fight.
Okay, so those are in. And now I'm about to just put a scoop on top of each. Like so. Pat this down a little bit.
You know, when I was playing mines, I thought I did that wrong.
What?
By patting it.
No, you're not supposed to pat it down too hard though. Some people do and then you suffocate them.
I didn't. I just used the tip of my finger.
Yeah. Okay, so that is planted. We're not ready for that yet, babe.
It's right there just in case.
But okay. He want to be seen so bad.
No, I don't.
I'm going to sit these here since my husband really wants me to sit these down.
Mm-hmm.
Let's go ahead and water them then. So now we just water them. With these, the cucumbers specifically as well, we want to make sure that we're not overwatering them and want to make them feel like a wrung out sponge. That's how the soil should feel. Now, when I was researching this, no one could really describe to me outside of that what that felt or looked like. But you want your soil moist. And we're going to keep them moist until we get a breakthrough in our soil. I think that's good.
Stop.
I'm trying to wipe my hands off. We are going to put a top on top of these so that we can keep them moist. You can use a hood or whatever you have to just keep them moist. And I'm just using a grocery bag because we are reducing, reusing, and recycling. Period. This is going to keep our plants or our seeds nice and moist in there. So with it being summertime officially, tomatoes and cucumbers are good during this season because they really like heat when they are in the midst of harvest, what would you call that? Germination. They really like that when they're in the soil. So these wouldn't be what you would want to plant in the wintertime unless you have like the lights and the heaters and all that for them to stay hot. There we go. Our first set is done. Okay, so I've already cut my holes in the bottom. Not the wind trying to take my cups out. Relax, relax. Same amount of soil in these 2 scoops. Now these are supposed to sprout within the next 7 to 10 days as well. These are very similar plants when it comes to that. Now I have 2 different types. I have this seed right here.
They're both sweet.
They're both sweet, but it's from 2 different companies, so you never know.
No, it's not.
Yeah, it is.
Do you want me to open this one too?
Yes. I think those are smaller seeds though. So these are sweet tomatoes. These are so little, I don't even know which one's a seed and which one's just dust.
They're all little ass seeds.
Okay, I'm just gonna put like a pinch in each. And then I'm gonna put a little bit of this in here as well. Just like a pinch. That was like 4 little seeds. Okay, next I have my soil. Cut that down a little bit. Over here. More soil in this one. And now we go watering. See, last time he was ready. Now he ain't ready with the little things.
I'm right here.
Nah, but you wasn't ready. Where's the things? You wasn't ready. You was so hyped the first time.
I just need to put them in here with the damn things.
I wanted to keep them separate so I know what's
I
ready.
know that.
Clearly you don't. Clearly you don't. Clearly you don't. Okay, so these also moisten. Ooh, get that. It's falling.
What's on?
That seed pack. So with these, you want to keep them moist the whole time as well. So the exact same way I just did those cucumbers, I'm doing that to my tomatoes. Also, I'll put this mister on Amazon. I'll put it down in the description. It's just water. I use this for my hair as well. Okay. I think that's good. Okay, so within 7 to 10 days, we should see something sprout with these seeds. The cool thing about them, once they do sprout, I'm going to take these covers off of them because we do not want to mold up our leaves. So hit that subscribe button. Also, comment down below, what are you planting this season and how are things going with you? Have you harvested anything?